Hello. I am checking. First of all, I am checking if my stream is live and if I will be getting that message. Okay, it works on Twitch. I am more concerned about YouTube right now. It works on YouTube. Let's go. Okay. So, what will we be doing today? We will be literally winging it. So first of all, let me bring my glasses over. Okay, I am back. This will be 4 hour, hopefully. So I will be here till 11 a.m. Okay, 4 hours. Where it's 6:40 right now. But what I will be doing is I will be going on YouTube. I do not know if you guys can see. There we go. And what I will be searching is programming project, and that's literally it. Udo wheel. And project-based learning programming. I just want to see one project, and that's what we will be doing. Don't watch coding tutorials in 2024. Okay, I understand that, but you need to give me something to start off of. Sheesh. Okay, I coded one project for every week in this year, for a year. Okay. Okay, I've watched this already. Okay, no. Java project-based learning. There we go. Okay. I did not want to play the website. I just wanted to. Can I not just open the goddamn playlist? There we go. We can open the playlist. What do we do? Programming projects. There we go. Can, okay, so he said it and we shall be doing it. It's going to be pretty simple. Login system. Okay, and this will be 500 projects. There we go, login system. Now, we will open Paint because Paint is the best out there. We will be adding, okay, we have that already. And does this have okay, so we have what do we call a login system. Okay, so first thing we will need to have is a register page. Okay, And under this register page will come a username. They will ask password, confirm password, email. Those are the 4 things that will be there. Now, what is the best way that we can store it? For now, simplicity's sake, we will be doing Scratch, and as we go, we will be adding stuff. So this will be saved in a text file. Okay, so this data will be saved in a file with a bunch of text. Nothing complex, pretty basic up till now. Okay, now what we will be doing is first of all focusing on the password side. The password will be first hashed and then it will be saved, meaning that inside of our file it will be a hashed password. So what we will save in this will be cryptic text. Cryptic, I don't know the spelling of cryptic. Crypt, cipher. I'll just put ciphertext. It will be a ciphertext. Okay, simple enough. Now, in during the login page, we will have to have confirmation, meaning validation, if both the inputs are valid. And what we will need to be checking is for this, no duplicates. Okay, now we will have a struct that will be a user, and in this struct we will have a username, we will have a password, we will have an email, name and email. Okay, and obviously we will have an ID. Okay, so how this will be working is we are not going to be saving our password over here. That is because in our password, our text file should be a CSV file or a text file. I don't know. Okay, let's get till this point. Okay, let's complete all the things still here first. Okay, and see where we go from here. And I want to first of all also check if my chat is working still. It is still working. And live stream is working. And my Twitch stream is also working. That is good to know. Now, we will be opening Sublime. And we will go to Sublime Text. There we go. I also want to check on Discord something, that if it worked on my Discord. Yes, it did work on Discord. Live stream is working. Live stream. Its live stream is working. Stream. 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 Okay, that's very hard. Now, first things first is we will be going into open folder. Okay. And 100 projects, this will be login system and file open folder login system. Select no. Now what we will be doing is new folder open no. Open folder, new folder, day one. Okay, and this will be being saved. Wait a minute. New file. No. This we will be saving in main.odin. We will have a package which will be called main because simplicity's sake. Okay. We will have, first of all, I will be importing core fmt. This is to print out the text. We will have a main procedure which will have no parameters in the beginning at least, and what we will be doing is testing fmt.printfln, testing if it builds. Okay, and that should work. Testing if it builds works good. Now first things first, we need to check if password and validation password, if both passwords are correct. Okay, now what we will be doing is we will have a verify password, no, validate password, which will be a proc. Okay, and this will be taking, first of all, it will take first entry, which will be a string, and it will take second entry, which will be also a string. Okay, and it will pass out a boo. Okay, what we will do, return if first entry is equals to second entry, then return true, else return false. Okay, simple enough. What I doing to got, oh, yeah, okay, checking if both passwords are correct during the registration section. Okay, simple enough. Then comes hashing the password. Hashing the password. Okay, so hash password, it is going to be a proc. It will take a password as a string, and it will give out a string. Okay, and for this we need to decide a hashing algorithm, and let us go back to our idea mapping. Okay, we will hide paint for a second. Actually, yeah, in Google, we'll go over here and check if it is, there we go, there's the Google hashing algorithm. Cool. Actually, no, this should be, hmm, okay, hashing algorithm. Okay. We need to technically hash the password too, and yeah. We will also have a key, which is just going to be a key, which is going to be 4. I don't know what a key is, okay? Hash function for string. A good and widely used way to define the hash of a string as of length n is a mod m, where p and m are chosen positive numbers. It is called a polynomial rolling hash function. It is reasonable to make p a prime number roughly equal to the number of characters in the input alphabet. For example, if the input is composed of only lowercase letters of the English alphabet, p is equal to 31 is a good choice. So polynomial rolling hash function. Okay, so let's go. Let's do that. Polynomial rolling hash function. Okay. Actually, you know what? I'm actually making this very complex. For the sake of simplicity, let's not hash the password. Let's just uh encrypt 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 password. Okay. Okay. What is a good encrypting algorithm for a string? Okay. Encrypting algorithm for strings. Basic encryption algorithm for strings. ASCII code. Okay, so first of all, let us go to OdinLang overview. Packages ASCII that make ASCII is ASCII. Hmm. So first of all, what I need to try to do is um encrypt word is going to be encrypt password, and for the sake of simplicity, I will write 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, and what I want to do is As we will also remove encryption. No need to encrypt the passwords. Okay. Write data to files. Okay, this is going to be a proc. It will, let's first make our struct. Okay, so we will have a user, which will be a struct, and this we will have a name, which will be a string. Huh? No, string. We will have an email, which will be a string. We will have an ID, which will be a string. Okay. Pass. Um, this one does nothing right now. So what we will be doing is we just fmt dot print fln um please enter username press 1 to register and we will have a press 2 to login. Import OS or OS. Where is the docs? We will have input in input. Hmm. How to take input in console and Odin. I don't know. Read console input. Please enter os.read. Okay, so first of all, we will make a string buffer, which will be a byte, apparently, which will be 256. If okay, os.read, os.standard in, comma buffer. I hope that is how it works. Error happened. Error happened. Okay. String, and we will take that string buffer. Okay. If str, if choice, if choice is equal to string is equal to 1, then we will do fmt dot printf print fln. Please enter your please enter username fmt dot print. Okay, and now we make another string buffer. Um, buffers, buffer, docs overview, buffer. Then what we will be doing is free string buffer. Hmm. That is interesting nonetheless. Hmm. Mm. Hmm. Anyways, if I go to Sublime Text, enter username, we will username buffer will be a 256 byte, and we will be doing and and register username buffer, username buffer. Okay, that I close, and we got username is username available. We will call that, and to this we'll pass in username. Config.send use username. A username is not available. Available. Please try different user. Enter again. Username flag equals to true. And we make a password flag, which is a false. And then enter password. Password buffer. Password. Word. Huh. Confirm password. Confirm password buffer. and from password buffer, doing second password entry in register, confirm password, and this will be second entry. Second entry. Can I not just do this? Um, okay. So we will then validate password. We will have first. Okay, so invalidate password information. If validate password, then password password flag is equals to true. Okay. So open okay, fmt.printf ln will be you have been successfully registered. Okay. And we will, if it is new user will be equal to a user. Okay. Yeah. Oh. And then we will have a new user is dot name is equal to username 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 No flag. Complete.printfl and enter email, and then we will have all of this. Email buffer. Amount of time I've written the same amount of code. Email buffer. Buffer additional email, and then we will make this into new user dot email. There we go. Is username available? Is username available is a procedure that returns a boolean and takes a username as string parameter, and then what we do is is there a way to save structs in a txt file? Files struct file write 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 white oh white Hmm. Hmm. Um, saving struct in struct2 file and C. Write a function and writes the given bytes of data in the file in the binary format. To write a struct to a binary file, we use fwrite. Okay, so can I just use fwrite? IDM mapping. Fwrite packages fwrite. What if it is just io dot white? Right, and hmm, there is no SQL. Hmm. SQL OdinLang. Hmm. Let's see how far I get with this right now. Yeah. Okay. So, Add to file user. Add to file, which will be a procedure, which will be right now for the sake of printf online. This will take a user as a user. Mhm. User has been added. So if I compile login, the only thing that is declared login. Um, Login block fmp dot fln to be implemented. Okay, there we go. Okay, so if I were to go and open this folder, okay, I don't know what I did there, but okay. So I don't know how I will be able to do this, but screen view, we go over here, we go into CMD, the DXC, we press this, nothing happens. Why? FMT, the print FLN choice. Okay, so if will be day one and okay. Why can I not? Which? Okay. This is weird and I do not understand why it is not working. Hmm. I do not seem to understand why this is not working. I think it should be. Where is the Discord? The Discord, the Discord, the Discord. Mm, mm. Is Blob just a person, or is he? He's probably going to be like, hmm. Reach till here. I do not know why I did not like that. Okay, so where did our CMD go? So CMD. Okay, no. So there is something definitely different. The console with RI refresher. It's comparing the entire 256 bikes. No, that is not what cannot happen because I have already converted it to a string. Yeah, it might be comparing that thing. So slash r slash n, I can do that. Let's see. And that is build a wedge. No. Okay, so let's just add import for strings. And then what I will do is strings dot strip strip trim right spaces trim right spaces right spaces and trace. And let's just for the sake bring that one to one. Holla fucking Luya boy. Thank you. And when I change the string buffer to string buffer, it works for wedge. Oh, understandable, understandable. Oh, that reminds me. Thank you for making it so that I can do just this. This is actually a much better Wait. Then I don't think I need this. Let me try. Fatal link error, cannot open file. Oh, probably because I'm running it over here. What does this work? Day one. Huh? Fucking nice, thank you. Just took me. Okay, so okay, actually, let's do a full run for what do we say? Open folder, CMD, a full one for register. So enter username. We will add the username of our beloved charter, the geek pirate. We will enter geekpirate@gmail.com. We will enter geekpirate@gmail.com, and we have an error. Oh, that's nice. I did not know that. Also, help me out a bit here. This way of taking an input is very strenuous because I keep on doing it again and again and again and again and again and again and again. Email lag. Um, check email. Okay. Check email is going to be a fuck. Which will be returning a true, and we will just return true for right now. And just for some syntactical sugar, um, 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 syntactical sugar. Okay, there we have it. So we will try it again now. CMD day1.exe. We do this. Works. We will enter the name the Greek pirate. We will enter the name the Greek pirate @gmail.com. We will enter the password is best viewer 69, best viewer 69. Let's go. And okay, my chat. Okay, Bob champ. Let's go. Now let's do it again, but without the correct password. The geek pirate, the geek pirate at the 69 gmail hmail.com. Password is this is wrong. This is right. Okay. How did you even? Oh, I copied and pasted this part from the documentation. It's not my fault. I will blame the documentation for this. I will honestly not have any shame while blaming the documentation for this. can't find where am I getting the messages. Uh, I was just looking at the source and all of the errors are above zero. Haha, so better safe than sorry by using. Understandable. Understandable. So. Actually, what is happening, there is no error as so far, but what I'm trying to do is. Okay. If password flag is equal to false, fempty.print fln, please uh incorrect password, no, confirm, no, validation failed. Let's try that again. You can obviously you can't link it, and then we will do cmd. We will do day one username is week by date. I don't know if you can even see this. Something at gmail.com. No one even cares. So wrong, correct, validation failed, correct, correct. Let's go. Okay. So the validation registration is working. Okay. Also, the reason I'm making this is simply because the literal way we found it was no, no. Um, we went over here and we literally searched for any programming project, right? And this was the video that came up, and they were like, make a login system. And I was like, sure. They said it, so I shall make it now. I don't know which. Okay, yeah, I'm on screen view, so yeah. Okay. Return new user. Now, why data to file? I will just remove this for right now. Now let's actually implement the login part. Before the login part, we data is going to be a procedure which will definitely return a struct. So users user array, which will be a user user. Huh? Oh no. What I think? And I think I can make this dynamic. Okay, we can do that. Now what should be the next step is let's reading data. Reading data should be from I have one past project in which I was actually writing stuff, so I can actually wait with your image maker day one, and actually no, day five, and then we have this thing in which I was write to file.odin and edit in notepad plus plus. Okay, got it. So let's just understand this code. Okay, I'll just copy this code. And let's do this. Output file, actually, os.open, data.txt, os.create, um, data file, error, if error is not equal to 0, then stream and if the data content white stuff to white makes a string perfect up increase in size. Huh. Why am I why did I copy paste the writer code in my what the fuck is wrong with me? This is a fucking reader. Okay. Reader. OS open. Read. io.read. Stream. Actually before this, you know what? Data array. How do I make? How do I do the make? Huh? Docs overview. I think it's make. Save data. Okay, and this will take five. I do I have import IO? I don't. Import for IO. IO dot open. No. Oh, weed writer. Weed writer. Package. IO dot write. And before that we had a stream and was dot open. Data dot txt. Was dot date. Okay. If R is not equal to 0, fmt dot printf error occurred while saving the data. So stream mm, mm, Just on. Um, Thank you for following. Hello there, Aluminum Lizard. How are you? Thank you for following. I really appreciate you following. My English is not the best, but yeah, I appreciate it. How are you doing? I'm well, thank you. Okay. So how did you find me? How did it occur to you? How did you stumble across this channel? Your English is fine, thank you. I found it from the Waylib Discord. I too am using Waylib. Oh, okay, okay. I see. Um, Actually, I do want to use Waylib, and I did use Waylib in C to make a very basic little game. I don't have it right now on me, but I did try to use it. Waylib is really good, and as a matter of fact, I'll show you something that I was trying to make in Waylib. I hope that you can see my screen. Yeah. So, we so yeah, I know. So, for example, this is what I was trying to make with Raylib. I was trying to recreate this Streamlabs. Now, there we go. It came up for a second, but it just went away. I need to find a streamer on whom I could donate. I don't know. Um, Boy. I'm pretty sure someone should have taken that name, Boy. Yeah. Okay, it went away. Um, LL Stylish. Page not found. Okay. Stop disappointing me. Um, how do I search it up? Screen Labs. Okay. I don't know who this person is. I do not care. But yeah. Yeah. So this is what I was trying to recreate. I failed at the part where I could import this text over here. Because like you can see the text is there, but the font is not there. And at the part where, let me zoom in. Can you see this curvature? It's like very smooth. In real life, I was not able to figure it out. So I don't know if I cannot actually zoom in. It's not even actually resizable or anything. But as I'll just show you it like this. Print screen, and let's just go to paint, and let's just make it bigger. There we go. There. As you can see, it's not really smoothed out. So I didn't know how to vectorify it, if that's a word. So yeah, I could not understand to vectorify this. Did you create a shape or image for that? This is a shape. So I'll actually show you the code. The code is nothing fancy. It's a very simple basic code. Odin. Okay, there we go. So it's a tip page. We import RL. We have a screen width and height. Title. We have our colors. Background color, donate button color, leaderboard, upper color, tip rectangle color. We just make rectangles. And then we just draw all those rectangles. Nothing very hard or anything. It's just something very basic. I was just using rounded. I didn't know how to draw SVGs or something like that. So yeah, this is the outcome, and it just keeps on printing. This is testing to see if it runs. So yeah, that is happening. I will close that, or else my computer will explode. I do not trust my computer these days. Right now, what we're trying to do is vector and operand. I do not understand where the error is coming from. We'll figure the error out in a second, but yeah. Yes, I did create a shape. I did not use an image for that. It was just a little exercise of me trying to get familiar with Availib's abilities. But then I stumbled across a bunch of videos in which they were teaching game development and stuff. And I got to know there is this something called buffers, frame buffers, and I also made this. Um, I made this on live stream, which is a simple ray tracing image thingy, in which we essentially run this, and then it creates this image in .ppm format, and everything is ray traced in that image, right? So it's pretty fast, like, and yeah, it's already completed. Yeah, that's it. It creates a ppm file, which is usually 2.25 MB. I do not have a viewer right now, but if I had ppm file viewer. So if I were to choose file, let's go in this streams, 100 hours, 100 projects, simple weight racer, day 5, measure ppm. File is not a ppm. I have never been disrespected that badly. I can assure you it was working, bro. You can't say that on my face that the file is not a ppm. I have never been disrespected this much in my whole life. Not the fastest internet on the world, but yeah, here we go. I think I accidentally did day 4 while uploading it instead of day 5. Yeah. So as you can see, I accidentally uploaded the day 4 picture. In day 5, I added everything. So I added a flow, I added a bit more, I added reflections. So this is just light reflecting off. I made these two, this one refractive and this one reflective. Added a background, added a floor, and yeah. So that was in ppm, that was not using Relief. It taught me some of the basics, not all of them. So yeah. Now where are we? We are currently in the process of trying to, yes. Oh, that's why. That's why the error. Okay, so I was trying to figure out how do I make for loops for, okay. Wait, where did the, for I in 0 dot 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 all the way to length. Okay. The new line comment is correct, but on a rated node, you're asking for user to type 102, but you check again search into. Also suggestion, choice case 1, case 2. Thank you. Now, what did I do wrong over here? Is less than that. There we go. Why can I not? Okay, I got a message. Sorry, I lost connection. Oh, no issues. I was just showing that this, if I have a ppm file viewer, I was just following a tutorial, understanding how ray tracing works, vectors and vector products and stuff. So this is day 4. I did till day 5, in which I was actually creating these ppm files. 100% of it was code. I can actually show you the code, and let me just okay, yeah. View your image. So this is the type of image that it would create, spheres. In day 5, I actually added reflection and other things, background and stuff. Yeah, that was it. Right now, what we're trying to do, thank you. Right now, what we're trying to do is we randomly went on YouTube and we saw a video of the guy asking us to create a logging system as a way of practicing because I am new to coding. I'm not actually new. I've done object oriented in Python and in Java. I used to write mods for Minecraft, um, and basic web scrapers. And I actually did. I actually I don't know if you know this. It's called Octave. Octave. GNU Octave. Yes. I did the whole machine learning by Stanford or Seva. I completed this course using GNU Octave. I have this whole specialization. I did like this is not that one, but I think it's this one. Yeah. So I did this one. I actually have the certificates. I'll have to open it in the other tab, but because of my stream, I can't really open my private tab. I think I can. Let me try. So Coursera over here. So I did all of that. I also use Django. If I don't know if you know Django. Django is a way to write web platforms. Yes, I did actually try to get into game development, and I showed you. I was trying to make that uh, interface using Raylib just to get familiar with all the things in Raylib. The thing was, a lot of the things in game development are hard. I have Godot, like I can show you. I actually, if I minimize everything, I have Godot game engine, which I can run. I tried making two games, both of them bow and arrow. And first game, I'll show you what was the bow and arrow. This was me following the tutorial of what is his name, Bracky's tutorial, and this game is like just a one-on-one imitation of that game. So yeah, I made this in Godot. With the tail animation and stuff. Yeah. As for the bow and arrow, if I can, this was me trying to do things in 3D. I failed miserably, like very badly. So if I have my 3D scene game, yeah. So I came as far as adding camera movement, jump movements, and yeah, that's it. What I was trying to add was much more than that, but yeah, I didn't get much far. But obviously, the reason right now I'm learning Odin is because Odin is much easier than C and it has the same amount of control as C. And using Odin, I intend to write games for game jams. Obviously, everyone has their preferences. I tried Unity once and I didn't like Unity. Unity was just way too much bloaty. I actually like Raylib and things like Raylib. For example, I don't know if you know Lua, Love 2D. I actually like that. Um, I didn't like by game community. I am making 3D games in Railway with C. Oh, that's nice. That's nice. Please do show or send some images on Discord if you do so about your progress, or if you have sent them in the Railway showcase. Please do tell. I'll see them. Made with Railway. People usually add amazing things. Like just like I know for a fact every single time I open this area it's going to be something phenomenal. Just I don't even know what this is, but whoever did this is amazing. Such simplicity, but such goodness. Amazing. I'll actually make some these type of clones too. Basic games in Relive. Mm, Beautiful. I send you a message on Discord. Okay. Message request. Accept DM. Add friend. Oh, that looks so good. I'm sorry for the ear, but that looks so good. See. I'm just on this frame, and this looks so. This looks so good. I don't even know how you did this. Okay. I know that this some kind of shader, probably. The water effect is some probably kind of shader. My it's not downloading the video yet. Okay. That looks so cool by the way. Damn. Lizard engine. You're making your whole engine. How many entities did you spawn over here? Is that one entity or is that a multitude of entities? I think those are multiple entities right there. It looks smooth. Like the animations look smooth. The water looks smooth. The walking animation looks smooth. Amazing. The engine can have 1,024 entities. Nice, 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 nice. This is perfection. You should really share this. You should really share this. Did you please do go and share this in Relib over here. I have zero idea. I think Relib Discord is a good community. It is a phenomenally good community. Sent by. Have you shared it over here yet? I don't know. I can't actually search it because my Discord is in streamer mode, which does not allow for user-based search. Ah. No, I actually can't because I'll have to actually disable my streamer mode. Now I will be. Lizard, aluminum lizard iron. I know to use tuk 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 tuk. There we go. Jump. All of this looks so cool, god damn it. Nice. How long did it take you to do this stuff? Oh my god, that's the Dust 2 map, I think. Is that the Dust 2 map? I don't know. That's pathfinding in 3D. Phenomenal. It shows. That's some dedication and effort. I can barely work on a project for more than like I would say I don't know 4 hours. After that I just give up. This looks so sick. I want these skills. Damn. Mashallah, mashallah, mashallah. This is amazing. Proud of you, man. This is amazing work. I'll just jump to this and fire. Obviously, dude, this is fire. If anyone says this is not fire, my fan uses Odin for label. Yeah, Odin's actually good. Odin is actually very good. It just has its own quirky things, which it doesn't have its quirky things. It's like, how do I explain them? I was trying to write a TCP communication thingy. For some reason, Odin did it very differently than how C does it, C++ does it, Rush does it, Zig does it, and even then Python. I don't know why did Odin choose to name its functions the way it did, but it did it that way. Either way, it was very infuriating. But otherwise, it is phenomenally good. Yeah. So, um, I will provide user will take um, I will take no, no. FMT or W print F status the string. Okay, the string will be percentage s percentage s percentage s. Okay, and user I dot user I dot it's going to be I. Are you the only person here with the purple icon that is on? Oh, yeah. The purple icon comes from the streamer mode. So I actually have to have the streamer mode on. So yeah. Also, I think I'm also on the top because of my other name over here. it's a very long, that's a very long history to that name. But yeah, it doesn't have anything to do with Raylib. But yeah, I found it quite nice. So and an enterprise data. Figure that out. That should work. Okay, that works. Now let us open folder cmd. Okay, so day1.exe register, enter username. I will add the username of our beloved viewer over here. Where is my chat? Why can I not find my chat? We close this. We actually first close this. I closed the wrong tab. We keep that open. We close this. Um, okay, so where are we? We are over here. So the name is aluminium lizard. The email is aluminium lizard chad at gmail.com. Password is something something. Your user has been registered. Index 0 is out of range. Huh? Push. No packages. How do I add to array? Yes. Not add to file. Add to array. Odin. Okay. Add to array. Append. Oh, okay. I don't know why the word append was not coming to my mind. Bird. Okay. Oh no. Okay. Want to register. The username is where did my chat go? Aluminium research. Email is enchantedpower@gmail.com. Password is correct. Correct. Been added. The hell? Wizard. Wizard@gmail.com. Password is correct. What the heck? Dynamic array. Dynamic array. Dynamic array. Dynamic arrays. Dynamic arrays. Dynamic arrays. Dynamic arrays. Dynamic arrays. gmail.com. The fuck? What? The actual food. Oh my god. Please tell me that did not happen. Why though? Why is it not doing it? I do not understand. We'll come back to this tomorrow because my brain has officially stopped working, and we have been coding for since, I would say, I don't know, since 2 hours. So let's add, let's make this 13 out of 100 hours. 13 out of 100. Let's go to our sublime text, live stream. 13 out of 100. Yeah. So yeah, let's just end the stream right now. Bye bye.